This tutorial is inspired by The Blue Origin pitch by Sir Jeff Bezos, and I found that the animation that is played in the pitch is really awesome. So I think to recreate the animation and to teach you guys how to make it. To create this animation, let's make a circle. Let's duplicate it until 5 circles. We make this color into a different color so we can differentiate it. Select all of the circle, align it to the middle and align it to the center. Okay, now we just need to change the color. Change this to blue, the outline is white, make the wake to 2 half point and make the effects to glow. Now we just change the rest of the circle. The same with this first circle, which is blue. Now you can go to Home, Format Painter, go and click the second circle. All is the same, use this Format Painter. Now it's done. And then now we just go to Animations to animate it. We use a shaped animation and the effect options is out. Okay, so I'll show you how is this shaped animations look like. So once preview, it is fading to outside. Now we just make to the rest of the circle. Use Animation Painter and click to the rest of the circle. Okay, now let's set the timing. So I want to make the second circle until the 5th circle flows after the first circle. So we go to Animation Pane, make the first circle to with previous, and the rest is click Shift and click from oval 12 to oval 15 and set to with previous after previous. And also I want to make oval 13, oval 14 and oval 15 to with previous. Okay, now let's preview it. Now we just need to add this icon and the text. Okay, we insert the text, the influence. Change the font and change the size. Now we just animate the text. To make the text appear one by one, word, we use appear animation and change the effect options to animate text to by letter and make it to 0.1 seconds. Okay. Now change it to the first. Set it to with previous. And also this, make it to fade. And now let's take it out. Okay. And the second one to make this map is, first we need this mapped, as there are two maps. The first map with gray color and the second one with blue color to cover the gray. And to make this is, first let's set this map into a fade animations, and then let's set the second map into wipe animation and change the effect options from left. Now we just make the second map on top of the first map. Okay. Now change the animation to with previous for the first map, and the second map is after previous. Now we can preview it. You see it covers the whole map. Anyway, we want to change the timing to more slow. Yep. Okay. So here is the tutorial to make this animation. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and if you have another tips and tricks, please share with us in the comment below.